If you already have video content and want to publish it on a certain day and time, we can take advantage of the schedule feature in YouTube Studio. As usual, from the initial screen, select the profile icon. Then select YouTube Studio. Previously, I had uploaded one video content and the privacy was still private. In the settings for the video you want to schedule, in the visibility column on the right, select Schedule. From here, we can determine the date and time for the schedule to publish it. In this feature, we can also set it as a premiere before publishing. If you have set the schedule, select OK. And then select Save. From YouTube Studio via the mobile app, we can also schedule video content. Just like scheduling in YouTube Studio via PC, first select the video content you want to schedule. Then specify the date and time to publish it. If you want to make it as premiere before publication, for more details, use a browser with desktop mode display. In the currently scheduled content, select the Setup Premiere section. From the Premiere settings, we can choose the video template that has been provided. After that, we can also define the countdown time display. In addition, we can also customize Premiere shows using the redirect feature and short trailer. That's how to schedule video content from YouTube Studio on your PC or phone. That's all for the video tutorial. And thanks for watching.